Let's get started. So to get Microsoft 365 business trial license, so we'll open any of the browser of our choice. So I have opened Google Chrome in incognito mode, and I'll type here Office 365 business trial and hit enter. So once you hit enter, you'll see a different link which is from Microsoft, and we'll try to click on the very first link. Earlier, we used to have Microsoft 365 E5 license, which is a complete package of Microsoft 365 suites. So let's see nowadays which subscription we have as a free trial. So I just clicked on this pricing, see plan and pricing. It will redirect us to a place where we can simply click for home or business. Let's close this, or business. So we are not looking for home use because we'll be working on other Office 365 related services, which is especially for industry, and will be going deeper in other services. So I'm selecting here for business use, and we can simply leave this paid annually or monthly. As I am from India, this is showing me in the price range of INR. If you are from other country, then it could be your local currency or simply in US dollar. So we are looking for free trial subscription which is available from Microsoft. So one is Microsoft 365 Business Basic, Business Standard, Business Premium, Business Apps for Business. Let's see if we have E5 or not as a free trial. So I don't see Microsoft 365 E5, Standard, Premium, Apps. Let me check. So don't see E5 license. So at the time of watching this video, there would be possibility that you may get different subscription as a free trial. So what we are looking basically is the subscription which has different services, which simply means that we should have email services, SharePoint, Teams, and other cloud services offered by Microsoft, included application to use on desktop. So I see this Microsoft 365 Business Premium try for 1 month. So I was able to find E5 license here in this link. I'll share the link so that you can navigate to this page and click on this try for free. So why I'm preferring this subscription, because this has lots of services. Earlier we used to have Teams as well, but as if now it seems that Microsoft has removed Teams subscription from this. So there are other licenses available from Microsoft. So there are few like a free trial for Teams as well. So as if now I'll use this subscription, and once we log into our tenant, so we'll try to find if we have a Teams license available from Microsoft as a free services for some limited time or not. So let's click on this try for free. Once we click on this, it will redirect us to sign in or sign up for this license. So I'm just filling my information here as we have created one Gmail account, and I try to log into this Microsoft account. So I have just used the same Gmail uh, address to create Microsoft personal account, and the same I'm trying to use it here. It's viralengineerbaba@gmail.com. So it looks like you need to create new account. Let's get started. So this is my Gmail that I'm using to create Microsoft account. So set up account. I'll have to fill this information, and there are there are few information which I'll uh, keep keep it secret, because that is personal information, and we have some difficulties while using in this video. So let me fill this information. So I have filled all this information. So you see, first name viral engineer, and then last name Baba, job title, phone number, company name. I have just selected company size as 10 to 24 because I'll be using different accounts for different purposes, so that we can create different solution or troubleshooting steps with those accounts. So I just selected 10 to 24. You can use any of the services, or sorry, any of the number that your organization uses. Then, does your company have a website? Yes, I have a website, which is viralengineerbaba.com, and then the country, which is India. You can use country as per your location or region. So as I'm from India, I'm using India. Then we select this checkbox. Although if you are not, if you do not want Microsoft promotional messages, you can simply uncheck this box. However, I would recommend you to check this box, because if you're looking for any services from any Microsoft partners or any service provider, then you'll be get notification or email or some promotional messages from those service provider, which could be quite useful if you're starting your organization. So once we fill all this information, then click on next. So this says that the product is not available in this market. So this free trial license, E5 license, is not available for India, and I will have to use other address. And if you are from a country where the subscription is available, so in that case you can choose your country. As if now I'm just switching back to the previous page where we can select different license for month as a trial services. So this is just because if we use E5 license as if now from this account, so it may get there could be some difficulty while providing other troubleshooting steps, or so. So I'm just switching back to the previous page, which has different subscription. It's just to make sure that the subscription we are using is best suited for the location, and we can use most of it, which simply means any troubleshooting steps or any video that we want to create that is helpful for you all. So I'm just clicking on this Microsoft 365 Business Premium. Try free for 1 month. Let's try with Office 365 E3. Let's try with E3 license. So I just fill email address and then next, set up account and fill all these information. So I have filled all these information: first name, last name, job title, phone number, company name, company size. If I have a website, so I have this website and country. After that, just selected this checkbox so that I can get information from business partners or service providers. So in this subscription, we have these application: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and this access and this publisher is only for PC, which is the desktop computers. And other services which is included in the subscription is Exchange Online, SharePoint Online, Yammer, Stream, OneDrive for Business. So Teams is not available in this, and we'll have to look for other subscription if Microsoft is offering any free trial for Teams. So just click on next. It's asking me to verify my phone number, and I'll get the verification code. So I'll get it through text or call. So I'm looking for text messages only. So send verification code. So let me check my phone, and let me type the code, which is 216073 216073, and verify. So it's asking me to create these information like username, domain name, and password. So this on Microsoft.com is initial domain. If you do not have any custom domain, or as if now it's not set up with the tenant, so this is given by Microsoft as a default tenant address. So whatever I want to use here, I can use it, depends on the availability. So this would be the email address. So suppose this is viral engineer baba at dot on microsoft.com. So this would be complete email address, and this on microsoft.com is primary domain for this current tenant. So username, let me leave it as it is, or I can make it admin, then password, reconfirm, reconfirm your password, then next. So this admin at viralengineerbaba dot on microsoft.com would be the primary email address that we need to log into this tenant. So let's wait for a while. Uh, so this says that so we need to add this information. So it's asking me to add more information related to the payment. So as this is first month is free, and then there would be a charge as per the plan. So as I'm from India, this is converted in Indian rupees. So this would be the price. So I simply need to click on add payment method. Let me add the payment method. So I'm just minimizing the page so that I can get everything on one single tab, and let me fill all this information. So I have filled car details and click on next. So you'll have to use your Visa or MasterCard. I believe as if now there is no other options available for India. For different countries there could be different options available, or a Visa or MasterCard is universal, so it would be available there. So next I'll have to click on use this address. So it charged me 2 rupees just for the verification of my card, and then once I verified that or approved the payment, so it's redirected me to this place. So we have then next page, then so next we have this page where we need to confirm few more details. So as if now we have already filled all these information. If you have a GST number, you can add it here, and I need to use my pen for identity verification. I have to use my pen ID for identity verification. So I have filled. So I have filled my PAN number and registration number as a PAN number. So click on start trial. So after filling all the information, so it started this free trial, and if you see thanks your order is confirmed, we have to click on next. This is because of we have to create multi-factor authentication as I mentioned earlier. Admin at viralengineerbaba.onmicrosoft.com. This would be the primary email address to log into this tenant. So I'm just using my password action required. This is just for setting up multi-factor authentication for the very first time when we create the account. So I'll click on next. This will redirect us to a place where we need to add few information. We can use our email address, phone number, and a multi-factor authentication app, which is Microsoft Authenticator. So we need to click on next. we'll have to download multi-factor authenticator app on our phone, and from there we need to simply click on a plus sign so that we can add the account in authenticator app. So as of now, here we need to click on next. This is giving a code, which is a QR code to scan. So I'm just opening my authenticator and clicking on scan icon or adding an account. So this has been scanned and it's adding it to my authenticator. So once this completes, so let me check. Yeah, it's added. So once it's added in my authenticator, then simply need to click on next. It's asking to verify if authenticator is working. So I'm just putting this code 35 and hitting yes. Once this gets verified, it will show you here. So it's approved. Then next, then done. So it's asking us to whether stay signed in. Yes. So I believe our 365 E3 trial license has been started for a month. So we'll start using Office 365 account, and as if now these are the information you need to save it. This would be the very first account or primary account for this tenant, whether you can save it or print it. If we want to directly go to our account, we can simply click on start using Office 365 E3 no Teams trial license or manage subscription. So manage subscription will take us to the place. So as if now, just click on this. This will redirect us to our Office 365 tenant, where we can see one user account. We can close this. So we have one user, which is the primary user, and this is the primary domain, which is ending with onmicrosoft.com. So that's it for today's video. So that's it for this video.